If you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, AI video tools can make creating videos super easy and quick. Today we will talk about 5 best AI video generators that will help you create high quality videos in no time. First up, we have Pictori. With Pictori, you can turn long text or blog posts into engaging videos in just a few minutes. To get started, go to pictori.ai. Sign up for an account and choose whether you want to create a video from text or script. For example, if you have written a blog post or article, you can paste the text here and Pictori will automatically summarize it into a video script. Then it suggests related visuals, clips, and background music. You can tweak the text, choose the visuals you like, and there you go, a professional looking video is ready. Next is Runway ML. It is a versatile platform with more than 30 AI-powered tools. The standout feature here is its text-to-video generation. You can create videos from just a text prompt. Whether you are making animations, storytelling videos, or anything in between, Runway's AI turns your words into dynamic, high-quality visuals. Plus, Runway offers tools for high-resolution image synthesis, noise reduction, and even image stabilization. Another amazing tool is InVideo. This one is designed for both beginners and advanced users. It's great for creating promotional videos, social media content, and even tutorials. After signing up, you will see a variety of pre-made templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch. InVideo allows you to drag and drop video clips, text, and images into your timeline. What's cool is that it also has AI-powered features like automatic voiceover generation, text-to-speech, and even an AI assistant that can help create content ideas based on your input. Next is Hyper AI. Hyper stands out for how well it interprets motion within videos based on text prompts. You can create videos from both text and images and even modify existing clips by repainting parts of them. To use Hyper, simply describe your video or upload an image to start the video creation process. You can then adjust the AI's interpretation of motion or tweak the visuals as needed. It's perfect for those looking for creative flexibility and fun short-form video edits. Last but not least, we have Haen. With Haen, you can choose from a variety of AI avatars, enter your script, and generate professional quality videos in minutes. You can even customize avatars to match your brand or personal style and select different voice options to match your audience. It also supports multiple languages, making it perfect for global outreach. To use Haen, just input your text, pick an avatar, and select the voice and language you want. Then hit generate, and Haen will turn your script into a dynamic video with natural sounding speech. Thus, you can easily edit and translate your videos to reach a wider audience. Have you used any of these AI tools before, or is there one you are excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.